Alright, well, I got this old Midland SWR meter. And it says it takes 25 watts at 3.5 megahertz and 10 watts at 7 megahertz and proportionately less at higher frequencies. So let's see, 7 megahertz, 10 watts, 5 watts at 14. Well, would that be about right? And then 2.5 watts at 28 megahertz. Sound about right? Sure. So this radio should have enough juice to drive this. Okay, so let's get us set here. And crank this thing up to there. And we see our SWR is not great. But I don't know, I hear that you're supposed to have the doors and shit closed when you do that. And this does have a sticky meter. I don't know, is this telling me what kind of power I got in this? I don't think it's telling me what the watts are. That's just telling me where I set the dang thing. I don't know, if I crank this down to good SWR, let's say that the cool guy SWR, is that telling me I got 4 watt? Or what am I looking at here? Am I looking at my hand? How the heck did I do that? Turn back around. Hi. Alright. So I turn the dial back. And it's turned that down. Right, let's give this thing a flick again. And right. So I mean, I go here. There it's set there. But can I do it backwards to tell me where the watts are? I mean, this is a pretty good antenna, this Wilson 1000. So if I turn this down to where I got a good match, is that where I'm actually at? If I'm at 1-to-1? Da-da-da. Is that where I'm really at? I don't know. Well, look at that. Couldn't tell you. All right. Smarter people, help out, please.